How to add TikTok sounds in CapCut. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut, import any picture or video. Then click on Audio at the bottom. After that, click on Sounds. In Sounds, click on Sign in with TikTok. After that, it will directly link your TikTok account. As you can see, there is no sounds right now. So what you need to do is go to TikTok and go to the sound and click on Add to Favorites at the top. After you have done that, open CapCut and you'll find the sound in here. You can simply select and use in any of your CapCut video. This is how to add TikTok sounds into CapCut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.